Hello and welcome to Northeast Media Hub, the fastest growing digital media platform. I am Adil Badkhar with the latest Hub news. Be informed, be alert. Tech Eagle, a Gurugram-based deep tech startup drone that is building drone logistic airline, has partnered with the Meghalaya government and Smart Village Movement (SVM) to carry out India's first hybrid eVTOL drone delivery of life-saving medicines. The collaboration is aimed at transforming the healthcare supply chain for hard-to-reach population. The first medicine delivery was launched on Friday from Nongstoin to Mawed PHC, covering a distance of 25 kilometers in less than 25 minutes. The Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, R.M. Kurba, on Friday inaugurated one of the houses constructed under the PMAYG scheme at Maulasnai village. The DC informed that the house was constructed under the scheme with an amount of Rs 1.35 lakh. She also urged the people to come forward and take advantage of the government scheme to build their houses without incurring much cost. The Hinyotrep Youth Council Shela area unit on Friday organized a protest against the government's failure to repair a dilapidated road that is causing considerable inconvenience to the people of the area. Angered at the government's apathy, people of the area put up a placard near a big pothole that read, "Welcome you all to the opening ceremony of Fish Pond at Saikarap Shela or Sora Shela Road, managed by PWD Roads Government of Meghalaya, sponsored by Creating a Sustainable Potholes Mission, Government of Meghalaya, to mock the administration." A massive earthquake measuring 6.1 on the Richter scale occurred along the Mizoram-Myanmar border on Friday morning, which shook parts of Assam, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya and the adjoining areas of Northeast region, authorities said, adding that there were no reported damages or deaths. The quake occurred at 5:15 a.m. on Friday morning and at the depth of 35 kilometers from the surface. After the main tremor, there were two aftershocks recorded at 5:53 a.m. and 8 a.m. Successive earthquakes in the northeastern states, especially Assam, Mizoram and Manipur, have the authorities worried. Seismologists consider the northeastern region as the sixth most earthquake-prone belt in the world. Due to a short circuit, a fire broke out inside Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio's office. According to the reports, the fire started at 7 a.m. in the morning at the CM's office in Kohima New Secretariat, which is the second fire incident in the last 10 years. However, no one has been injured or property damage has been reported, but some of the documents have been into the fire. As per reports, during a parade rehearsal, employees saw the fire. Before the fire department arrived, officials at the department managed to douse off the fire. In a statement by Abu Mehta, the media advisor of Rio, stated that he was inside the house when the fire broke out after dusk, but safe and fine. The Trinamool Congress or TMC on Friday approached the Supreme Court urging it to postpone counting of votes of the civic bodies elections held on Thursday. The TMC has alleged that the orders of the Supreme Court for free and fair civic bodies elections were violated by the ruling BJP in the state. The TMC claimed that people were not allowed to vote and were assaulted in the polling stations. Representing the TMC in the Supreme Court, senior advocate Kapil Sibal told the two-judge bench of Supreme Court comprising Justices D.Y. Chandrachud and A.S. Bopanna that nothing was done by the state to ensure free and fair elections. Meanwhile, the top court said that it will look into the matter, adding that judges are busy with official functions on Constitution Day. Muhammad Kashim Ali, a notorious drug mafia, has been arrested by the special cell of the Delhi police. Kashim Ali is a kingpin of an interstate drugs cartel. He is responsible for smuggling heroin consignments into Guwahati in Assam from Manipur. He also smuggles drugs into Siliguri and Malda in West Bengal and other parts of the country from Manipur. Ali had carried a reward of Rs 1 lakh. As many as 14 opposition parties in India, including the Congress, the Left, TMC, RJD, Shiv Sena, NCP, SP, IUML and DMK are boycotting the Constitution Day function being held in the Central Hall of Parliament on Friday. The Congress took the boycott decision at its Parliamentary Strategy Group meeting on November 25. Meanwhile, President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla and others are taking part in the event. Sportstar hosted the first ever Northeast Sports Conclave on Friday in Guwahati, where a host of speakers discussed key issues pertaining to the sports ecosystem in the region. The presence of Tokyo 2020 Olympic medal winners, weightlifter Mirabai Chanu and boxer Lovlina Borgohain were the highlight of the occasion. Bhogeshwar Barwa, the first Assamese to win Asian Games gold in 1966 in 800 meters, was felicitated at the event. The conclave was held in association with Directorate of Information and Public Relations Assam, IOC, SBI and LIC India. Thank you for listening to our podcast. For latest news and updates, follow us on www.hubnetwork.in. Download Hub News app in your mobile from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For promotion and publicity, write to us at info@hubnetwork.in. Thank you. Kublai Shibon, Mithela.